जपाकुसुम संकासं काश्यपेयं महाद्युतिं तमोरिं सर्वपापघ्नं प्रणतोऽस्मि दिवाकरम्. Hari Om everyone. Welcome to Viswabharati Vedic Astrology. In today's episode, we are going to learn about June 10th, 2021 annual solar eclipse. Welcome back. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and ring the bell icon so that you don't miss any new videos which we post in Viswabharati Vedic Astrology YouTube channel. June 10th, 2021. This is a annual solar eclipse. So where this eclipse is going to be visible? It's not visible in India. It's visible in a northeast part of USA and Canada. It also visible in some places in Russia and some places in London too. Even though it is visible in the northeast part of America and Canada, but it's going to be a partial solar eclipse. It's not a total solar eclipse. Let's find about this partial solar eclipse timings in US in various cities. Starting with Atlanta, Georgia on June 10th, 2021, it's not going to be visible at all. And after that, Boston, June 10th, 21, partially it is going to be visible. Starting time is 5:07 a.m. and end time will be 6:32 a.m. In North Carolina, Cary, Charlotte and Greensboro, in various places, it is partially visible in the morning 5:58 a.m. to 6:25 a.m. In Chicago, Illinois, it's partially visible 5:15 a.m. to 5:39 a.m. And again, in Detroit, Michigan, it is partially visible from 5:55 a.m. to 6:37 a.m. Again, in Houston, Texas, it's not visible. Los Angeles, California, it is not visible. Miami, Florida, it is not visible. Again, Minneapolis, and it's partially visible from 5:26 a.m. to 5:46 a.m. And again, Orlando, Florida, it is not visible. In Philadelphia, partially visible from 5:39 a.m. to 6:32 a.m. Portland or San Francisco, it is totally not visible. And again, Seattle, it is totally not visible. St. Louis, it is partially visible from 5:35 a.m. to 5:36 a.m. Toronto, it is partially visible from 5:35 a.m. to 6:37 a.m. Vancouver, it is not visible at all, and Washington DC, it is visible from 5:42 a.m. to 6:29 a.m. Since it is partially visible in most of the places in United States as well as Canada, you don't need to greatly observe or do any kind of sutakas or other rituals which actually generally will be practiced on a eclipse day. But however, it is partially visible, so you may do japa, tarpana or Surya Aradhana, Ishtadaivata Aradhana on that time. It says in our Puranas and Vedas, if one can practice or do japa on eclipse time, it will give 1,000 times benefits to that person, whoever it does. Especially if you are a pregnant woman or somebody in your house, if they are pregnant, you don't need to worry about this solar eclipse. However, if you are in those places where it is partially visible, you just stay home and not to come outside and don't drink, or eat anything during that time. Anyhow, it is a very early morning. You're not going to cook anything in that time. So avoid cooking or avoid doing household things in particularly that partial solar eclipse time. Rather than that, pretty much that's all. You don't need to practice anything specially during this solar eclipse time. This solar eclipse is happening on Mrugashirsha Nakshatra. So if you are a Mrugashirsha Nakshatra guy or woman, if you are living in those areas where it is partially visible, then you may do a charity of wheat flour to a priest at your nearby temple. And attending a Rudrabhishekam or doing a Surya Japa during that time, even doing a Mrutyunjay Japa or doing a Surya Graha Japa or Gayatri Japa will add more benefits because of this auspicious time. However, for Vrushabha, Miduna, Kumbha, Tula Rasi people, this eclipse may give a little bit of bad results and good results to the Karka, Simha, Dhanu and Meena Rasi people, and medium results to the Mesha, Kanya, Vrishchika and Makara Rasi people. So these are the details about this solar eclipse which is going to happen on this June 10th, 2021. As I said in this video, you don't need to worry about this solar eclipse since it is just a partial solar eclipse. Even though it is visible partially in your areas, if you are a Nitya Naimittika, if you are practicing Nitya Puja, that is good enough. You don't need to worry about it. And I request all the pregnant women to stay home and stay healthy. You don't need to worry about this. Just avoid eating food. Anyhow, this is a very early morning, so I don't think that you eat something in that time. But if you are planning to eat something in that time, please avoid on that time. If you have any questions regarding this solar eclipse, you can leave in the comment section below. I will try my best to answer as soon as possible. Thanks for watching our videos, and please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. Thank you so much. Subhamastu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.